Guys, welcome to another video, and today we're going to be playing Team Fortress 2. This is going to be my, this ain't going to be serious, sorry guys. Who should I be?
Fire!
Let's be a spy. You have a spy?
Just lay your weapons down and walk away.
I remember this game when it first came out. Who should I disguise as? Scout. There's always a scout, right?
Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Wait, what? Oh, I just blew my cover. You all are dead. Let's see if I can get a backstab. Hey, Byron. Fire, fire! He found out my cover! He found out my cover! Invisible.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
I'm gonna get the soldier right here. Yes, got him!
You made quite a mess. I'm going to gut you like a Cornish gamehead.
I can tell that's the spy I saw earlier. Oh, darn it. Skip you, medic. Okay, guys, I'll be right back when I respawn. Okay, I respawn. What am I going to do? I'm going to fly. Oh, here's a medic right here. I don't care if it's not Mexican. You are dead.
My apologies.
And my apologies.
I'm going to gut you like a Cornish gamehead.
Yeah. I sure did kill him. Oh crap! Soldier! Soldier! I can tell it's a soldier. I see him. He's down there. Get him. He's down there in the lake. This kind of has bad graphics because how can water be underwater? That doesn't even make sense. Oh, who should I be disguised? I'm gonna be that soldier. Come on! Now here's my trick. I turn invisible and go in disguise, then go in the base, then act like I'm one of them, and then when they're not looking, I go behind their back. Hey guys! No, 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 I can't die. No. Hey guys! 2 hours later. Oh, got the soldier! Got the soldier! I'm a pro at being smart. Oh, the medic got me. Why you gotta be sorry? Is it because your mom's
You got blood on my suit.
Yeah, that's true. You got blood on my suit. That's not nice. Yeah. Open up. It's the police. Come on, run circles around here.
Just lay your weapons down and walk away.
Shut up, Heavy. Oh, he's on the enemy, so he's telling me to go out or get so close to him. And your Citra's dead. That's how you do it. I think I just saw a spine in his head. I think I hear a sentry. There's the sentry right there. Sentry down. Die, heavy. Kill him. Yes. I'm a pro at being a spy. That was an epic kill. 2 kills on 1 try. Good for the first try I played this game.
That is the first time.
Oh no, it's derpy me.
That's what
Fire, 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 fire. Ah, no! I was gonna stab him in the face.
This is like your.
Oh, at least he died. I'm gonna be the pyro again because last time that way.
The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
Oh, come on!
The enemy has taken our intelligence.
He took our intelligence! See, I just all of our intelligence! Come back here with the intelligence! I watch more videos of this, so I practice.
You failed. The enemy has secured our intelligence.
Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna make a new YouTube channel because my phone might break and I don't remember the password, so I have to make a new one. Okay, guys?
Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
I might get it fixed. I don't. Amanda's probably one of this one. No! Let me get that sentry. No, skip you, Pyro.
The enemy has dropped our intelligence. Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
So what? Oh! Is there any chocolate? Soldier!
Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Oh, he has the intelligence. Okay, this is not good. No, he got me. He has our intelligence. Why are we letting the blue win? It's usually the red that wins. Did he just get dunked on? I ain't lying. Oh, crap! I'm changing my character,
The
so
enemy
guys.
has captured our intelligence.
I'm gonna be him. Circles around here. Run circles around here. I see a dispenser. I mean, a sentry. It's getting hot over here. It's getting hot. Dead. Right in 2 seconds, I died. Wow. I'm gonna be demo, man. I'm gonna get drunk.
Cheers, man!
Oh, crap. At least, that should at least took some help. That little... Okay, need to play some stupid bombs. There we go, perfect. Attack!
Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
I'm I'm gonna have to throw some sticky bombs up there at the sentry. Hope it gets it. And dead. Okay guys, I guess I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you like it. Subscribe for that like button. I might do a part 2 of this. Good. But first,
Cheers, man!
bye. Bye. I'm hungry. Wait. What's that? No, it's Mickey.